Hello friends. In this video, we will guide you through the process of migrating your WordPress website to the AccuWeb.Cloud platform. For demonstration purpose, we have taken the source site as test.accuweb.tech.com/saloon. After successful migration, the destination site will be testproject.us.AccuWeb.Cloud. To initiate this journey, open your preferred web browser and access AccuWeb.Cloud. Log in using the credentials: username and password. Upon successful login, you will be greeted by the intuitive AccuCloud dashboard. Navigate your way to the Marketplace section within the dashboard. This action will trigger a pop-up window, in which you should select Content Management. At this point, you have the flexibility to choose between standalone or clustered WordPress kits, tailored precisely to your site's unique demands. For this demonstration, we have opted for the WordPress Standalone kit. Click Install to proceed. A subsequent pop-up will emerge, granting you the opportunity to specify your preferred PHP version and select advanced features in line with your requirements. Assign a name to your environment. For example, we are using Test Project. Set a display name, for example, Test Project. The final step in this phase involves clicking Install, thereby launching the configuration process. This action sets in motion the installation of the WordPress Standalone kit. Upon successful completion of the installation, you will be furnished with a URL for your WordPress admin panel, along with the requisite credentials. Navigate back to your dashboard and locate your project. Here, we are locating Test Project. Within its app server, click on Web SSH to unveil a terminal window. Execute the command SSH keygen. Give Enter 3 times consecutively. This sequence will generate your SSH key. For retrieving your public key, execute the command cat.ssh/id_rsa.pub. Subsequently, copy this public key and proceed to your project settings. Select SSH Access, and then go to the Public Keys tab. Here, click on Add Public Key. Navigate to the key option, and insert the copied public key. With these preliminary steps accomplished, navigate to your WordPress website, the one earmarked for migration to AccuWeb.Cloud. Access the WP admin panel using your credentials. Within the Plugins menu, select Add New, and search for any preferred tool for migration. Here, for demonstration purpose, we are installing Migrate Guru. And following the installation, activate the plugin. Now, in the Plugins section, find Migrate Guru and select Migrate. Input your email address. Review and accept the policy, and then click Migrate Site. To configure the destination, click on the Choose Other Host tab and opt for Manually Input Host Details. In the Destination Site URL field, paste the URL of your WordPress site. Specify the FTP type as SFTP. To acquire the required details for the destination server IP/FTP address, return to the AccuWeb.Cloud dashboard. Access your project's settings and choose SSH Access. Head to the SFTP tab and copy the hostname, port number, and username. In the FTP password field, select SSH key. Retrieve the SSH key from AccuWeb.Cloud by executing the command cat.ssh/id_rsa in your command prompt. Copy the displayed key and paste it into the SSH key field. For the directory path, enter /var/www/webroot/root. Now, click Migrate. The system will initiate a validation process. Once validation is successfully completed, the migration process will commence. Following the conclusion of the migration, you can access the migrated site by clicking on Visit Migrated Site. Here, you will witness your WordPress site seamlessly migrated and running efficiently on the AccuWeb.Cloud platform. We hope this video proves invaluable in your WordPress site migration journey. Should you have any queries or encounter any challenges along the way, please do not hesitate to reach out for our assistance. Thank you.